How's it going, everyone? Welcome to another video. So in this video I'll go over how I make Hong Kong coffee tea. This is a drink that I like to make, especially if I have a long work day ahead of me or a lot of studying to do, and it's just like it sounds. It's a mix of coffee and tea. So I just call it Hong Kong coffee tea, but I've heard of people calling it Yuenyeung tea or other terms, but that's what I've always called it. So the ingredients that you're going to need is pretty simple. You're going to need some good high quality black tea like I have here. And then you're also going to want some good quality coffee beans. I just got some from a local shop. You could also probably use oolong tea, but I just go with black tea since it's more of a better flavor combination with coffee, I find. You're going to want to put the tea into a teapot and just brew it for around 5 minutes or so, depending on the strength that you like. In terms of the coffee for this drink, I usually go for a more lighter or medium roast. I'm not a big dark roast fan, and I'll just grind up quite a bit of coffee. In terms of the grind size, I do more of a fine grind, since we are going to be brewing this in a pour over method. So I just brew the coffee using the pour over method. There's many different ways you could just brew your coffee, but this is what I like doing the most. I think it has the best flavor, especially for this drink. Once I'm done brewing the coffee, I'll add some sweetened condensed milk to it. I do about 2 tablespoons or so. You can add more or less depending on the sweetness level that you like. Then I give it a good stir, and if it doesn't mix very well, you could also use a little handheld blender like I have here in the video. Alright, so once we're done mixing and the tea is done brewing, we'll pour the other half of the container with black tea. So I did the coffee pot there, I filled it halfway with coffee, and then the other half is black tea, so it's about a 50-50 split between the two. Then I'll give it a good mix. Alright, and that's how you make Hong Kong coffee tea. Hope you all enjoyed the video. You can enjoy this drink hot or cold, and it's really great for those long work days and study sessions. So hope this video helps you all out, and I'll talk to you all next time.